Guys, you are welcome to the Chris Ehato Show. In the Chris Ehato Show, or the Chris Ehato Mindset Academy, we talk about real estate, we talk about education, and we talk about those things that we believe will help you to create wealth and have access to a reasonable and livable source of income. Today, let us quickly talk about tips and tricks in digital yearbook productions. Digital yearbook productions. Okay, now, internet, digital or online yearbooks are informations about a particular year, the months and the various activities that has taken place in a particular organization or for a particular brand or for a thing. Why do organizations engage on production of yearbooks? Why? One reason is because they want to capture the essential landmarks, achievements, or activities that has contributed to a profitable year. So now, one way to make sure that you are able to produce a yearbook that is appealing, that is encompassing of the activities of a particular year, is to make sure that you start early. If you do not start your yearbook production on time, you are likely to miss certain activities that has contributed to a profitable year. So it is good you start your preparation with a team. You assemble a team, and each of these team members have different responsibilities assigned to them. You can have somebody to be in charge of the pictures, still pictures, someone else to be in charge of the videos, and then somebody to be in charge of the write-ups, and then somebody to do research on the particular theme you are working on for the year, because every yearbook must actually have a theme. If you don't have a theme for the yearbook, you are likely to move haphazardly. So like we said, you need to start your yearbook production preparation on time, and that begins with the assembly of, you assemble a team of people that will gather different information about the various elements you want captured in the yearbook. Now, but a digital yearbook or an online yearbook is different, all right, from the traditional paper or book yearbook. What is the basic difference? The basic difference is that the entire material, the pictures, the videos, the text, the audio, okay, they are all in digital form, and they are all published online and not published in paper. But that does not mean you cannot equally have a paper version of the same digital version. It's just that the digital version will be richer and better than the paper, because when the cost of paper, production of paper yearbook or physical yearbook is becoming increasingly difficult, and many organizations are shying away from it. So one way to save costs and still maintain a higher quality of a yearbook is to go digital, to go online. Okay, so that way you are able to save costs, you are able to project more, and then you are able to reach more audience. Because, take for instance, it is hard to have a school or an organization produce 1 million copies of 100 pages of a yearbook. But however, for the digital yearbook, you can have up to 1,000, and you can, in quotes, produce up to 1 million, because you are trying to reach 1 million people. Okay, and okay, what about the sales, the cost of it? The cost can be maintained. You know, the cost is a little bit more expensive, all right, because you may have to like send people to different locations to capture different events, or you can, if you want to drive down the cost, you can tell people on site at the other location to capture the pictures and the videos and then send to your production team. But no matter the way you look at it, ultimately, the cost of producing a digital yearbook is far lower than producing a physical yearbook, simply because paper is becoming something else, very expensive, extremely expensive, almost out of the reach of the poor and out of the reach of the rich. So, like we said, from time to time, we will be coming to your screen and giving you tips and information about how to produce a digital yearbook. And if you want to engage us to produce one for you, we are available. The cost is affordable. All you need to do is to reach out to us on time. All right. The details will be on the description of this video. All right, and you can get across. So the number is +234 70377 45735 +234 70377 45735, and then the email is christmathsdigital@gmail.com, and then of course you can visit our website www.christmaths.com. All right. Let me just quickly introduce our new book to you called Real Estate as a Source of Income. Real Estate as a Source of Income. The book is out. You can place order for the book online. The pre-order cost is 5,000 naira, and if you're calling from Ghana, you want to reach out from us from Ghana, it is 50 Ghana cedis if you are buying from Ghana. Then if you're outside Ghana or outside Nigeria, it is 5 USD. So you can go online, christmaths.com/newbook, to get a preview of the book. Okay, so that's about it. This is just an intro trying to help you understand that for you to produce a digital yearbook or an online yearbook, you need to start early. You need to start early. Say for instance, you want 2024 version of the digital yearbook. Don't forget, if you've not been gathering materials, you have missed out January, February, March, April. Now we are 22nd of May. May is almost gone as well too. So that means your material is likely to start from June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So the earlier you assemble a team that we can work with, or if you want us to handle all facets of the production, we can do it for you. But however, it is extremely important that you have your own team. Having your own team is extremely important. And have different members of the team take responsibility for different elements, all right? Because this material, the materials you can use as a link for public relations activities. One of these days, we'll talk about the benefits of having a yearbook. Why should you have a yearbook? What is the role of a yearbook? What will yearbook do for your organization? What will yearbook do for your school? The image of your school, the brand of your school. What goodwill does yearbook bring to your organization? Okay, why should I spend 1 million naira, 2 million naira, 3 million naira to produce a yearbook? And then how do I recoup my money? Yeah, there are several ways to recoup your money. Even though the material is online, there are several tricky ways to recoup your money. So even though it is people having free access to it, or you can also password the yearbook. So whoever wants to have access to the digital yearbook will need a password. So if they buy, they can have access. You just send them the password, or you email them the password, and then they can have access to the yearbook. So there are several ways that you're not printing the paper form does not mean you cannot monetize the digital yearbook. The digital yearbook is monetizable. We will teach you how to monetize it. We will teach you how to use your yearbook to get goodwill with embassies in your country, with high commissions in your country. How to use your yearbook to have access to business owners, to banks, because if you have a robust yearbook, it's very easy for your organization to access loan from banks. Why? Because they have access to a summary of your business operation in 1 year. So they can tell, just looking at a yearbook, people can tell if your organization is profitable, if your organization needs further investments, and if your organization is making money, so that people can also invest money in your organization. Even if you're looking for quality employees, quality talents, looking at your yearbooks, talents can spot whether your organization is worth investing their life and their time with. So there are several things you can do with a well-packaged digital yearbook. So reach out to us, and then let's see how we can quickly come into the system and arrange for a reasonable and a robust digital yearbook for your organization. Okay, so schools can contact us, businesses can contact us, individuals can contact us, brand managers can equally contact us, movie houses, music artists, everybody need airline, oil and gas. We all need a complete document that showcases our operations and commercial activities in a particular time frame. You can do a yearbook that covers 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. All right, you can backdate and get materials and still be able to get archives materials and still be able to get a yearbook that can sort of act as a documentary about your organization. And then moving forward, you can now use this material to attract businesses, attract talents, get goodwill from the business community, the international community, and what have you. So my name is Christmaths. It's a pleasure being with you live today. And when next will come your way to talk about digital yearbook production, I hope that this video will act as a precedence to soften the tough decisions you need to make. Okay, if you really know the benefit of a yearbook, making that investment 500, 100,000 initial deposit will not be a problem, because with a good yearbook, a well-packaged, colorful yearbook, I guarantee you can attract more business in 2024 and attract more investment in 2025 and beyond. So contact us today and let's see how we can work together to start your journey of a digital yearbook or an online yearbook. So this is the little we can share with you on today's edition of the Chris Echator Mindset Academy. I hope and I pray that you are able to grow your mind, okay? Because one way to succeed in life is to have access to a lot of ideas. So the thoughts that you're able to access and the ways you are able to access, okay, the more you are able to grow quicker and faster in all that you do. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later in the day. Perhaps before the day closes, we will do another live where we'll talk to you about investments in credible sources of income, no matter the business that you do. If you can make your business a profitable source of income, you could never have any cause to regret. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. See you and in the next edition of the Chris Ekato Mindset Academy. Ciao.